Right, YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. It's your buddy Technoboy, and this is not any audio video kind of electronics kind of thing. This is a office chair, a wheelie one. So today I'm gonna unbox this and gonna assemble this thing. So this is the first time I'm gonna do this, so let's see if I can do this properly or not. So this is from ASTRIDE, that's the brand you can see, and this is a mid-back support office chair, not the head one. Okay, so let's unbox and check it out, and of course wish me luck. That's the back panel. That's the bottom part. And that's the main piece, the wheelie. And this is the sitting part with the handle installed. There's some accessories in there with the Allen key. So we need that Allen key to fix all this thing up. So now let's move the box and set it up. This is the assembly manual with the picture itself, so you can easily assemble this up or watching this picture. Right, so to remove that plastic completely, you can remove these two handles by removing these three screws. That's easy. Then first of all, you're gonna install this one right here, just like this. That's the back side of the chair, that's the front side. So this is gonna stay at the right hand side, and mount these four supplied screws. Pretty simple. Right, so now the back panel, here you can see four screws are there. You're gonna remove them and you're gonna mount just like this. So as you can see, you can easily assemble this thing, but you can also call for the assemble guide. That will take like around 300. If you want to save 300, you can do it by yourself. It's very easy. For the tools you need is this Allen key, which is supplied with the chair. So except this one, you don't need anything else. As I showed you in this video, this is very easy to assemble, so you can do that by yourself and save rupees 300. Well, now comes the price. This thing cost me around 3,000 rupees, but you can get some cards offer and other offers too, so the price would be much lesser than that. But I must say, for the 3,000 rupees, this chair is pretty amazing, and I'm going to use that now. And by sitting here, I'm feeling a bit of relax by leaning back. So now, from now on, I'm going to use this chair only. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.